Welcome guys, today I have for you a Okamoto model ACC 1632ST. This machine is wired for 440 volts and we'll just get right into it. To start off with, this machine can be ran automatically or manually. So we do have our 3 hand wheels up here. This one's going to be for our left and right, which is spring loaded. So when you let go, the hand wheel will pop out for safety reasons. This will be our in and out right over here, and once you're ready to get into the automatic mode, you'll go ahead and pull that hand wheel out so we can get everything activated, and that's going to be the same concept for our up and down hand wheel as well. Let's bounce that off just a little bit. So from here we'll get some hydraulics going. And then we'll also get our spindle going, which I'd like to mention, it does have its own little controller, variable controller right off to the side. So simply type in however fast you want to go, and then you'll go ahead, press PU, and then the forward button. And as you can see, our wheel will get up to speed. So this machine does come with 3 different grinding settings. One of them is a traverse, the other one's a plunge, and then you also have a traverse plunge as well. This machine does come with a rapid up and down feature. Simply just move this knob into the hand position and you'll go ahead and be able to run it that way. And then we can bring it on over for our cycles. And then we also do have a variable magnetic controller built in with DMAG and obviously the magnet itself. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and get one of our cycles going. When you're ready, you'll go ahead and press a position that you want your table to go to basically tell the machine to start. And then we go ahead and play with our speed knob that is off to the side. And to get our table to feed in and out, we'll just go ahead and flip this middle switch into the down position for our step feed, or we'll just bring it up all the way to the other position for continuous for the plunge reasons. So this machine will feed down all the way to 0. And then it'll go down through a couple spark out passes right here. I have mine set at 2. And it will park itself off to the side, so you're ready to load up and grind again. So I will just speed this up a little bit so we're not here all day. And so the setting that it's on right now is when it will feed at the end of its in and out travels. So I'll let that just run out for a second. Off to the side, you'll notice in photos as well, it's not set up where it should be because I don't have the space, but it does have a coolant tank along with a brake system as well. See where we are. Probably just speed it up a little bit more. Or a matter of fact, we'll go ahead and just cancel this and swap on over to just another feed setting, one that's much quicker so we can get an idea of what our spark out looks like. So again, whenever you're ready, assuming that your lever's in the correct position, whatever speed you're at, you'll just be able to flip your lever on. I'm a little too slow right now. Flip your lever on and it will just automatically start feeding down for you. So this one is when it hits every single time on the left or right sensor. So this one's going to run just a little bit quicker than the other one. As you can see, we do have the adjustable dogs to shorten or widen our stroke, along with the adjustable dogs for our table in and out. Getting close down to 0, then I'll demonstrate the spark out. Then lastly, we'll follow up with our plunge traverse. So that's basically what happens when we finish our spark out, and then you're ready to go for another cycle. So let's get back to our plunge traverse. I'm just going to put the table in the middle for you guys, and then from there, all you'd have to do is open up the middle lever and then choose a direction, and you can see our table is feeding in and out now. And same concept, it will feed down to 0 until it sparks out. I might have just set it for a spark out. Let's just try that one more time. So it's going to feed down to 0 until we hit it. So we do have a fine feed dial off to the side, off to the right hand side, and then this is also going to determine how much is going to feed into your part. Have this travel back just a couple more times. See that spark out. And then this knob right here, I'd like to mention, is going to be the speed for the in and out. It's easier to do with the hydraulics off. Aside from that, you're really just fighting the hydraulics. So we're just about done at our 0. Let's spark out 2 times. And since the table isn't going left or right, it will just park itself, I believe, at the end of the machine. Just like that. So, again, this is going to be the Okamoto ACC 1632 ST, wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.